Mama Akwaba, wafreme Adjoa searching Mesrel, now wa subscribe to my channel. Nia notification bell also for more news.
Send me a day, me di me seat to and me di me juma to because at the end of the day, no, me won't call for me quiet account at all.
Yes.
Mammy can say me job. Omo independence in out of NPP, no, they are going to lose.
Of
And
course, all of them will lose.
they are going to collapse.
Oh, yeah.
Mammy
When
can
they
say
lose.
NPP 24, no. It's high time, say, Obi Ewini power, our constituency be my it's high time, say, you maintain this and the hwɛdɔm deɛ ama se sɛ nye nyame ɛna so ama se akoma na ɔba bɛsi a ɔnkɔ school da ɛtumi ayi ɛbi si abɔ how can you tell me sɛ saa nipa ne ɔto so aba ɛyi ne firi ɔno wɔn na ɛni sifoɔ san kɔfa seat no it's high
Yeah.
time you make your researches ne yɛyɛ dɛ yɛ sili ntokuro adwuma ne yɛ yo baaka ntokuro nketenkete bi a ɛbɛyɛ dɛ
You
yɛbɛ
see,
sili ansa na adwuma na ayɛ dɛ awie pɛyɔ.
you play it.
Me somebody na me ba John Dramani Mahama ne NDC for no so.
Uh-huh.
People in parliament, you know, I was a Ghana for you now, omu hu de ekoso parliament. Omu show for minority for no omu vote ma omu no. Mr. Felix, say me papa. Yeah, me papa. Minim say won na wo me. O kwa kodina baby, minim say baby a wo kɔ no. E wo so de ne pa ba fie. Ne mom no kɔ ye no, e ne pa na ne ba fie no o kɔ bɔ hye. Inti o ka so o ba fie a, will I be proud to call you my father? And no now say constituency for no omuhu. Let me say this year election no everyone is going to look at Hohoy. No ma to abanama NPP because my member of constituency bako constituency bit is a North Town. Mr. Felix ope like the second poorest constituency in Ghana North Town.
Okudzeto
Omo papa omo ho chire omo yie. Ye the year kan say omo ho chire omo yie. But me blame Okudzeto black one. Me blame omo to abama ne man ko ye no. Oba no oba be yi 100 cedi 50 cedi I share mo nsem. Obeyi mama mo musa ne say say sika we say no ono obetimi adi ni infie na ya na.
Yeah, Majo Wise in vote too. Yeah, Majo Wise in vote too. Okay, Supreme Court says saying, Omash reform. NDC members and friends, they say, these leadership we have are playing with our minds. Here, Charlie, very sad, though. I'm telling you, very, very, very sad what NDC members have allowed their leadership to turn them into a mobo. Say, so swampa, pick up. Or just a so. But Usha Mukrana, somewhere in the Constitution, I read it too. And it was talking about the powers of the High Court. It was talking about the powers of the High Court. And I said, Osha, was it on forming a quorum? Was it forming the quorum? No, it was under Charlie. And that's what I come up. Okay. Tia, determination of membership. Kinsolo, greetings. Determination of membership. Article 99, 1. I say, the High Court, the High Court shall have jurisdiction to hear and determine any questions whether A person has been validly elected as a member of parliament or the seat of a member has become vacant. Not Abambabin. And this for stop allowing your leadership to lie to you. I don't know what else to tell you people. Moma diana ya fudodo. Moma diana ya fudodo. Mwana muchiro constitution yo 1992. Me call Ghana na me to me die. Na me de buy. And one me use you. Moma dear ya fododo. Away. Entimude de bia yan kasa mu ye tiwi some monana mo like Jesus Christ. Eh? Let me read it again. Maybe somebody didn't hear me. Let me read it again. Like, how can you not? Didn't they say they have boycotted some budget? Phobia, the budget passed. They said we're not going to let Joe Woo's vote. Joe Wise voted. What does that tell even the NDC members? Oh, they be young Crawford, they be almost that and they be a BB or what among country. But their members, I'm sorry, some of them are so bitter against tribal issues. Some of them are so bitter against NPP being seen as an account party, to the sense that it blocks out their reasoning, it blocks out their knowledge, it blocks out every wisdom that their parent or God ever gave them. It is always party first. It is all party. It has to be party. Everything we seek is party, 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 and we don't care. It is all party. Seriously. Okay? Me show Article 99. Me pacho webi. Article 99 webi. The speaker you can declare. Say any say. But even that, no. You have to consult with the EC. Because who say, who declare ya no, and so woman signal say, yenya by election within 3 months. Per the same constitution. Now the constitution is telling you in Article 99(1), say, the High Court shall have jurisdiction to hear and determine any question whether A person has been validly elected as a member of parliament, or the seat of a member has become vacant, or a person has been validly elected as a speaker of parliament, or having been so elected has vacated the office of speaker. A person aggrieved by the determination of the High Court under this article may appeal to the Court of Appeal. It say, Babin say we a majority. Eh? No koyo de. Hey, majority de nyame be ye JM God is. Yeah, radio. And this if we ni. Ye. Papa 8 years in Kofuya sa de agro. Then the bawulaya sa de be 2024 aba. Messi and then menayo my real constitution no side or back and forth. Me read the other president. Now, let me address the Esiama DM. The reason why court said that. One will say Honorable Esiama. Now, or call primaries. Okay. And a primaries, no MP. M say the MP at that time, I believe, right? And Esiama didn't agree. And year primaries new year no. Esiama year na adwene so obeyeden. Obekwa akoye independent candidate. Okay? Now, okoye independent candidate no. And okoto aba and